let's make tandoori cauliflower.
Traditional? No. Tasty? Yes. Here's a vegetarian pairing that'll definitely knock your socks off. So here's what you're going to need for your marinade. Whole head of cauliflower, garlic, shallot, ginger, cayenne, some ghee, paprika, turmeric, cumin, garam masala, and some Greek yogurt. Now to prepare your cauliflower, cut off the leafy part and cut close to the stem, making decent bite-sized florets. And when you're done, just throw them into a mixing bowl. Rough dice your cayenne, leaving the seeds in there. Rough dice your shallots. Using a spoon, skin off the ginger. It can take a bit. Then, don't do what I did and try to microplane your garlic. It doesn't really work well. I did the same with the ginger, that worked better, but still I would recommend cutting it. After that, add in your Greek yogurt and the rest of the ingredients. There's your shallots, your ginger and your garlic, and onto the spices. We're gonna get a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of cumin, and 2 tablespoons of garam masala. Once it's all in there, mix it up. Add in your cauliflower, accidentally give a treat to your dog, and continue to massage all of the marinade in until it's fully covered. After you're getting the marinade in every nook and cranny of the cauliflower, get out your handy dandy saran wrap and let it sit in the fridge for about 30 minutes to 3 hours. On a hot cast iron, add about a tablespoon of ghee. And now it's time to start cooking your cauliflower. I started to space it out a little bit, but then as long as you just pat it down and make sure there's a good amount of space between each floret, you should be okay. Keep cooking on medium heat until you start seeing some char action going on. Once it looks about like this, you can take it off the heat and set aside. Let's start to make our raita. So I'm using a almond mango yogurt, a half of a cucumber, a small cucumber, a little bit of lemon zest, about half the zest of a lemon, a little bit of more garam masala, and I saw some baharat that I wanted to add, so I just added that in. And then I mixed. I'm plating this on a bed of black rice. You can use whatever rice you like. I would also recommend getting a rice cooker because it looks like my rice is a little dry. Hopefully the raita will save that. I fried a couple grains of black rice, adding a puffed rice garnish. Let's listen in.
See how it tastes.
I'm pairing this dish with Green Cheeks, Outer Space is Weird, New England IPA.
It's very light in color. I'm actually kind of surprised. Bingo. Okay, so it's super refreshing. I really like this dish. There's some nice spice from the cauliflower. All right, prepare time. Let's go. The mango raita that I added definitely connects the dish to the beer. There's the mango in there, but also the spices of the cauliflower connected a little bit. There's a little bit of peppery action going on there. So I think this pairing works very well. Pretty easy meal to create, and like I said, refreshing. Surprisingly enough, I think this is vegan.
It is not.
Because I used almond yogurt. So yeah, here's a vegan pairing.
It's
Sure.
still not vegan.
It's good. Bingo! That's not going to make the cut. Wow, that worked. I'm so glad I redid this one.